Uneven tube end reduction, rough end faces, and frequent production rework, the tube end swaging machine solves these demanding tube processing challenges with precision forming technology. Tube straightening comes first. A straighter tube provides more stable feeding and prepares the material for consistent tube end forming. 4-die swaging enables simultaneous processing, resulting in higher efficiency and more consistent precision. It effectively reduces processing deviations and meets the demands of high-volume, continuous production. Suitable for copper, aluminum, or steel tubes according to different tooling configurations. The core rotary tube end forming process achieves consistent tube end reduction through continuous, uniform rotary processing. Compared to traditional methods, it effectively minimizes dimensional deviations, enhances product consistency, and reduces scrap rates and rework costs. The unit operates stably with low noise levels, enhancing comfort in the long-term production environment. It is widely used in the processing of HVAC, evaporator, and condenser tube assemblies, copper refrigeration tubing, and heat exchangers, as well as in the forming of automotive fluid lines and fuel pipes. We can configure the tube end swaging solution according to your product requirements.